I know, this closet is a hot mess, but today we are going to do a DIY. I'm going to make some wire shelf covers, and we're going to get this closet organized. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. So the first thing I need to do is remove all this stuff from the closet.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn.
So y'all, I started taking these candles and putting them in the box, but it was getting to be too much, so I had to stop, and I just decided that I will remove them later once I got the shelves in order. So you'll see exactly what I did. But yeah, because this is a tight space. This is a closet that's in my hallway, and I didn't have a lot of room to maneuver things. So right now I'm taking this bucket with warm soapy water, and I'm just wiping down the walls, and I'm wiping down the shelves.
Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy.
And right here I'm using a tape measure to measure the shelves. I'm measuring the width and the length, and I got 36 inches in the width and 11.5 inches in the length. So for the supplies, I'm going to use 5 cardboard boxes, scissors, 3 rolls of duct tape, 5 rolls of wood look contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I'm using cardboard boxes that I already had, but you can use the poster board from the Dollar Tree if you choose to. But again, I wanted to save money, so I just used what I had. So I'm just cutting off this piece of the cardboard, because this would make the shelf 36 inches in width. Right now, I'm marking where I want the cardboard to kind of fold at, because I need it to fold so that it can be like a covering over the shelf, if that makes sense.
'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach. Just be.
Once I get all the pieces bent, I will take another cardboard and put against it for support, and I use my duct tape to help secure it in place. This just gives it some extra support to allow it to stand up straight. And when you put the duct tape on, it doesn't have to be neat, because no one's going to see that anyway. But just keep watching. Now, you don't have to use duct tape. You can use a hot glue gun if you choose, but I'm just doing it my way. I found that the tape was easier for me. I didn't have to wait for anything to dry. So yeah, y'all, this is a DIY, and you know, this is the way that I'm doing it, but there are many ways to do this. Now I'm covering the shelf with this wood contact paper that I purchased from the Dollar Tree.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.
So this is what the shelf looks like. I made 5 of these.
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
So this is how the shelf cover turned out. And I couldn't show y'all me putting them in one by one because the space is so tight. But right here, I'm about to put these LED motion lights in the closet. It's 4 in the pack. I'm just going to use 3 of them. Ready to see what the closet looks like? Let's remember what it looked like before.
Personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk.
Alright y'all, that's all from me. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this video inspired you in some way. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye y'all.
Left behind.